first question, the correct order of boiling point for primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol is. So boiling point of alcohols decreases as the number of branches increases. So there are more number of branches in tertiary alcohol than that of a secondary and then that of a primary. So we can say that primary is having the greater boiling point than that of secondary, and the tertiary will have the lower boiling point. So correct answer, let's see this if we have any similar pairs. So it's there in only option A, that is primary, secondary and then tertiary. So correct answer for this question is option A. Looking towards the next question, when a mixture of ethanol and methanol is heated in the presence of concentrated H₂SO4, the resulting organic product is or are. So basically, when the two different alcohols are mixed with concentrated H₂SO4, it's first of all, concentrated H₂SO4 is a dehydrating agent. Now when two different alcohol combine together, that is methanol and ethanol. Ethanol and methanol can also combine. So there is total 3 possibilities where you have the methanol combination and ethanol combination and methanol and ethanol combination. Now let's do the dehydration for all this possibility. This dehydration is done in the presence of this concentrated H₂SO4 and they are going to form an ether. So it will be CH3O C2H5. Then here they are going to form CH3O CH3 and here they are going to form C2H5O C2H5. That means 3 possible products. So it's given only in one option, that is D, that is CH3O C2H5, CH3O CH3 and C2H5O C2H5. So correct answer is option D. Looking towards the next question, that is the chlorination of toluene in the presence of heat followed by the treatment of aqueous NaOH gives. So we can write the reaction. We can make a toluene first. Then on chlorination, we can have benzene with CH2Cl, that is benzyl chloride, and in the presence of aqueous NaOH, we're going to give you benzene with CH2OH. So first this H is replaced by this chlorine to give CH2Cl. Then with aqueous NaOH, this chlorine group is substituted by this hydroxyl group. So this is nothing but a benzyl alcohol. So the correct answer is option D, that is benzyl alcohol. Looking towards the next question, that fats on alkaline hydrolysis gives. So we know that fats are esters of higher fatty acid with glycerol. Hence, on alkaline hydrolysis, they give back glycerol or potassium salt of acid. So we have glycerol and acid. So correct answer is option D for this question. Looking towards the next question and the last, when phenol is allowed to react with bromine in 2 conditions. 1, carbon disulfide solution, and second, in aqueous solution. So let's draw this reaction first. That is this phenol when reacted with bromine in the presence of carbon disulfide gives OH here, and ortho-para substitution. So bromine can attach here or on the para position. Now this phenol, when reacts with bromine in the presence of aqueous condition, that is in the presence of water, or I can simply write aqueous here. So we can have the multiple substitution, that we can substitute, or we have the product where the bromine is substituted at ortho, both the ortho position and a para position, with the byproduct HBr. Okay, so now in aqueous solution, phenol ionized to give phenoxide ion, in which highly activates benzene ring, gives this tri-substituted product, while in presence of carbon disulfide, an inert solvent phenol is unable to ionize, due to which benzene ring is only slightly activated, hence only mono substitution is possible, either at ortho or either at para position. So correct answer for this question, okay, the name of this compound is 2, 4 and 6, 2,4,6 tribromophenol, and this is ortho and paraphenol. So correct answer for this question is option C, that in carbon disulfide solution it can form ortho and parabromophenol, and in aqueous, that is second condition, it can form 2,4,6 tribromophenol. So correct answer is option C.